Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton. Thank you very much for joining me. Well, to begin with, the Australian dollar at the moment is still respecting the level of 78.55, and with the slight strength of the US dollar overnight, does suggest that we should see a pullback towards the support at 77.90. In view of the technical implications, especially with the RSI, I do expect to see any upside attempts to foul and reject the level of around 78.55 and eventually sell off down towards the lower region of 77 cents. With the dollar index rebounding off the low 91 region, in terms saw the rejection of 120.70 in the euro, and also if you go back towards August and September, clearly was a rejection point also. In terms of the pattern, I expect to see further implications to the downside and look towards 119.8085 with the RSI declining and also a potential crossover to a bearish side for the stochastic does suggest that the market should sell off and see a slightly increase in the dollar index. Well, the dollar yen story still remains in terms of a bullish case, purely for the fact is that we haven't broken down, but in terms it's actually started to recover and taking on the challenge of this 112.60 level. A break above there would give further scope up to the upside and revisit the region of 113. The strategy is still towards 111.90 to 111.50 as a buy zone. Well, the pound took on the challenge to the top side and failed to sustain above the 136 level, and in terms has actually rejected that level and now puts further implications towards the downside. In light of the pattern, I'm looking towards 135.20, and then below there we should see a further weakness towards 134.5 region. But it would seem that the gold outlook finally rejected the level of 1,300 in 2022 after printing a high 21 and plummeting $14. In light of the rejection from the top side, I'm looking for a further pullback. Now I'm looking down towards the target of 1,298 as an initial view, and any advances should still struggle towards that top side from the overnight rejection. So moving on to oil, you can see that the technical implications are overbought, and I do expect to see the challenge towards the top side region of $62 a barrel to foul. Therefore, I do likely to expect a rejection from that region and look down towards a target of 60.60 and reassess from there. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.